Are you looking for solar powered garden lights? These have exceeded my expectations. Stick around, let me show you. Solar garden lights with LED filament. This is a 6-pack. Has a warm white light. Is dimmable. It goes from 10 to 25 lumens. Has a stainless steel body with bronze finished look and a traditional CD glass lens. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link on how you can buy these items. Gives you some information if you have missing ground stakes. I think you do. Has a card with a QR code. Has a manual on how to operate, list of the parts inside, and how to set them. Upon opening, we have this. We have some stakes that have the metal rod and then the plastic stake that go like that. So they're not missing. They're going to be inside like this. And these are quite nice. Glass globe. I hope you can see the LED filament in there. It's all metal. I thought it was going to be plastic. Here's our solar panel. And this is where it's going to go in to the stake. Super easy to assemble. I've taken the top off and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. I thought the glass was dirty on the inside, but that's the way that it's made. It has like little speckles in there, which actually upon reflection, haha, get the pun, I like, because that way if they were just plain glass, it's going to show every single little water spot, every single little piece of dirt. So I kind of like that, kind of spotty, antique looking. When I took the top off, it has a rechargeable battery in it, and this little case just pops over in there like that. So you can replace the batteries if they just, eventually wear out. There's the LED light. Here's the controls. It tells you to let it charge up for 8 hours in the full sunlight before using it on high. And it's already lit up. If you want to use it in the wintertime, they suggest putting it on low unless you get like a lot of sunlight in the wintertime. I'm going to keep mine on high because I want the high lumens. So this has a little ledge here, and that's going to go in here, and then you twist it and it closes up shut. It's super, super, super easy. I'm going to put this in a dark room and see exactly how bright it is before I put them outside. But these are exceeding my expectations so far. I'm going to put the rest of these together. I promise you I showed you how to remove it. So you just twist it and it comes off that easily. It doesn't necessarily have to be that loud. It just rained, so they're easy enough to push in the ground. I don't think I got it exactly straight, did I? Oh, my camera's not straight. It looks better. Still not straight. I think that's as straight as I'm going to be able to get it, because I'm not good at stuff like this. They're pretty. These are the lights outside my house. The lower ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're fairly bright. This is on the 25 LED. I put one out in the woods by the trees, and it's illuminating that quite nicely. These would be so pretty, illuminating a little path out in the woods or around the backyard on the tree line. Now the carport light's off. I'm quite pleased with these. Thank you for watching my video about these solar powered garden lights. Remember to check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy these or shop at the store and get some other. They really exceeded my expectations. Higher quality, better lighting, everything. Helps me out a little bit if you use that link. If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel and or a playlist. Leave a comment, good, bad, or ugly, I can take it. Until next time, let's just help brighten until next time, let's just help each other brighten up one another's lives. Bye.